this feeling.
Lovely. So, do you see how this is quite tight compared to this side here?
Mm-hmm.
You feel that? So I'm going to get you to turn over on this side first. I'm going to get you to bring this lower hip towards me, this way, okay? So, deep breath in, all the way out. Deep breath in, all the way out. I'm going to get you to bring this leg up first, other side. Good, nice and even now, perfect. Yeah, it's a little tight up here as well, huh? You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So relax the shoulder for me and just let your head move with it, okay? Good. Yeah, it's a little bit blocked, but not for long.